Asam prakasat parisat adun mai pu chulia halapin KARBI lamet pomar angbong lamet aputhak kachingwai. Sarupathar MEC constituency sa Riajan Langteng arong angkang KARBI ang Autonomous Council EM Jagat Singh Ingti Kahumrida. West KARBI ang Japet Jahoy Arad JMT Avatar Lispen Amen Kachithan. Kardom KARBI Prime Time ni sulong penili thare chisong tero number tang ton pen arjui tha. KARBI ang long alamet pomar pen lamet aputhak chingki chethan Japan matijong hiniarni Assam Prakasat Parisat adun maipu Sumanta Chuliha KARBI ang long rong supi dipolong nang pale. Adhonik Asumya Sandokus ketok abang puchuliha lapin KARBI alamet pomar ang bong KARBI alamet aputhak chingki chethan dedapi matijong nipai inko reser kep arni Guwahati along kepadoji bokfear along KARBI apan kapanong lor KARBI lamet arani padoji pusi alangli chuliha pachini tekan dipu KARBI tokbang aterang ahin penta lamet po chuliha apan kardom chipidun rinti. Mati jong ni pai hini arni ada por pai kepa por malom hanjang langsu langteng arong angkang aningkan wangta langkit hepen rong langkang lumajok radatum kisung chetong nang rentilo labang soputhak EM Jagat Singh Ingti koson pensi rong langkang lum long luma pura kachini Japan kelang charida. Lasi Prabjin pen langkang lumpen kapajok Japan Water Resources Department Engineer tumpen chingki chethan pon luputa rada tumapan lamthi pachini pon lapen langteng arong along dolong keno adim Prabjin pen kacheleng mission Japan PWD hin pen paselam pon poputa klardak pen lamthi than pachini pon Sarihajan langteng arong angkang kahum ridam along bidat terang Bogjan Block Mondol Yuwa Morcha Chundang Elvin Teron Sarihajan BJP Local Committee Klembang Pubangpi atum pen chinglok rong asaratum chitong dun. Tilong hongni adak King Kidong Pahinghang Pavisi non hejong West KARBI long lapin Meghalaya Japet Jahoy along Kido Arat JNTI Voldar Lispen men chithan pon tanglupusi Card News along Pirangkipen Birta nang pali.
1951 aningkan pen telong hongnia dak akeng kedong pahinghang arat jaintia awater list pen amen chingthan rinti lapen KARBI anglong asorpu chiputhiblo pusi alang litum herangkia phan than pachini alang litum 1951 aningkan pen jaintia pen kibi asitin bang phukangwai along wood joktun pining pen ke KARBI anglong along simethanga dor kesua wood chejokpo lapen Japet Jahoy along kedo arada phan council penta nang lang nang po puta inut arleng kesar ningje.
Today I have been directed by my CEOs to have a hearing here for all the electors of the Rtiang Sanphao who are having the voters ID card from Meghalaya, that is West Janjal District, Jowai. So we came to apprise them regarding the section 17 of the Representations of People's Act 1951, which says that no voter should have a dual elector or dual vote in any constituency. So with that intention, I came to clarify to all the electors in this village. And the village unanimously have decided that they wish to be in one place only, that is in KARBI Anglong. So they wish to surrender and to delete their name from the electoral roll of West Janjal District under one Nartiang Assembly constituency. That's all. Thank you.
Paise memorandum eta dile aru kune ji kole apunaloke hunire gangbora borgangbora 1951 pasot itu amar council poar pasot itu amar ase itu epic card titia tu ekeleke ami ekhom asilu 1972 pasot jitia Meghalaya state paisile tar pasote ho demarcation bhalke hua nasile kisuman jaga amar to ahisile kineka tar pasot amar jitu amar aji gaongot lok paiso arting gaongot aji dekha paisu je rai se uthi ahise je ami itu Meghalaya tu na thaku okhomot thakim itu KARBI Anglong ami thakim itu dekhai dise apnaroke
Normalam so por phandhi na pharma birta Wington ponik sene.
Revealing Beauty Parlor offers you the latest discounts for this festive season. starting from 1st of August to the 1st of December 2017. You will get permanent low-rail hair straightening and hair smoothing at Rs 2,500 to Rs 3,500 for any length. 10% of discount on every facial and low-rail hair spa. One beautiful package of low-rail hair spa, manicure and Spanish normal facial only Rs 1,190. Girls, hurry up! The offer is limited. Rupsana Boro Revealing Beauty Parlor, RH Complex near ITBI Bank. For more details, contact Rupsana Boro 9132858038 or 957170867.
বৰ বেলেগ ধৰণৰ গোন্ধ আহি আছে যে জুটি লগা আসলতে ইয়াৰ আৰত কি আছে
ইয়াৰ আৰত আছে কাঞ্চ সৰিয়হৰ তেল স্বাস্থ্যসন্মত বিশুদ্ধ
আৰু সোৱাদযুক্ত
Aturkimi outlet opposite LDRB Difu KARBI Anglong Assam. 10% off in every kitchen and dining items like Hawkins, Flux, Milton, Treo, Shreya Iron, etc. 10% off in makeup and cosmetic products. And grocery items.
আপুনি বাৰু বিশুদ্ধ খোৱা পানীৰ অভাৱ অনুভৱ কৰিছে নেকি এতিয়া আৰু চিন্তা নাই কাৰণ বজাৰলৈ আহিল কাঞ্চ ৱাটাৰ বিজ্ঞানসন্মত উন্নত মানৰ প্ৰক্ৰিয়াৰে প্ৰস্তুত কৰা কাঞ্চ ৱাটাৰে আপোনাক দূষিত পানীৰ ভয়াবহতাৰ পৰা আঁতৰত ৰাখিব
কাঞ্চ ৱাটাৰ
Kanj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecho ason la penthesire alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji kang tirtang kijun alang tharwe alang theso alang kecho ajam thu tharmit adu thelua kreng chitronola ukthor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji
Dihinamo pipotot birtalong wang tulum. KARBI Anglong West Council along Arjuding Kloipen Kiki Harsing Teron Deneswar Ingti Lapen Bikatok Biatumapan Matijong Hiniarni Chepadipon Tanglo.
Boreng mati Sakuria mo Kipling Bangetom Abang Puapan Matijong Hiniarni Chepadi Pontanglo. KARBI Anglong Autonomous Council Conference Hall along Kapado Kachepadi Amayalong Joint Secretary Arpu Kiki Harsing Teron Dhaneshwar Ingti Lapen Chokomar Riso Bikha Tokbi Bangathamapan Hirjume Pajirsi Chepadipon Kachepadi Amayalong Chairman Horen Singh Be CEM Tuliram Ronghang EM MSc Secretary Atum Chatongdun Rinti Dhaneshwar Ingti 1980 Aningkan Special Border Officer Pensi Council along Saike Claim Kecheng Pusi Pherangkiapan Chathan
Dili Pini Sakuri Council Sakuri Pen retire 1980 pen dak dolo aprang nili special border officer also fee nili claim sulo state officer kan afia ko promotion lo se ko assistant secretary lo assistant secretary pen claim pen ako nili deputy secretary pen joint secretary ke non ang bang joint secretary si nili retirement lo farewell meeting lo ke CM chairman EM tum dode tapi ni alang tu pang special lo akang hondo jenis si Ambil sang lang tu sila dah. Farewell meeting lah betul. Well, farewell lang pin lo. Apa si kamplem lo. Apa aku kuno dinner ni sampai dili rada kamba file sampai appointment dam tegi pembori. Apa ini juga sampai jadi ni aji le digi pen kai rasa council sekali pen nili December retirement dam lo ko churu.
In 1972 pe das program lo non nili 62 years only banglo se retire lo Bangladesh tabatum tetum Vijayana ki pata ini arong.
Borjan MEC constituency ang kang Upper Okyhay hiti ruipen kechua hiti along Agriculture Department pen kedeng pon surihini ra kretrok lapen kretrok sia parman mati jong ni pai hini arni ada porpai kresia porpen Upper Okyhay hiti irui ai hiti along MEC long kitimong arideng pen long e kisompon.
Long e kisom pona mai long VDC Chairman Philip Teron, Ratsai Klembang Doloi Crow, Chandra Singh Inglang, Bida Inglang, Junior Engineer Mongol Taro Pencheng Loket Hekidinga Tumchitong Dun Pen, Long e kisom pona mai long RDP Dun. MEC long kitimung ben lam the ke jai pon ke, labang soi hiti ke do pen chojor cholang lapen, kenang soda hormu chunam dun long po. Upper Okyhay long dolong kasilam pon jia phanta, MEC timung pen lam the chichak tekang. An parta labang soarong kapaching tur pon jia phanta, claim pon bom lo puta lam the jai pon. Aporo ting pen kipatang pon jia phan kam kilong abang pho phan than pachini teka.
Pini KARBI Prime Time News abang kelapan si Kangton Poniklo, lain bom the Cut News Channel, Domit Hakme, Kurang 2.